Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is around Eziama. I think this is Eziama Amiibo Road. Eziama Amiibo Ring Road that is under construction. So I didn't really read through the signboard to know the contracts details, the construction details, whether it's the state government, whether it's World Bank, or I didn't read all those things there on the signboard. But I just saw road construction going on in the rural area. This is Ubakala in Umuahia South local government area. So I was like, okay, let's see how far this road construction has gone. I'm happy to see a road construction like this in a rural area, because it gives joy to come into a village and you see that the road is very good, is motorable. Ubakala is opening up. It wasn't like this before. There are many road constructions going on in Ubakala, and we are hoping and also praying that government remembers Olokoro, especially Omajhata Olokoro. The road there is very terrible. As government is opening up Ubakala, they should please help to construct the road in Omajhata, the road from Olokoro to Omajhata. Please, government, we are begging you to come to our rescue and fix that road also. So this is the road construction going on here. This is a two video that I joined in one, and the two places are all in Ubakala, where road construction is actually happening. So as you can see, they are constructing the drainage and the rest of them. So this is just to show you, for those are from Ubakala. This is another area too in Ubakala. Sorry, I didn't even take note of the name of these places in Ubakala, but I believe that first place I showed you guys is, I think, Amiibo Road. Amiibo Eziama. But this particular road now, I don't know what they call this particular road, but you can get to this road from the express, Ubakala Express there. This road, as you can see, is still a village in Ubakala, and they are constructing the village road. So as you can see, Oborona Nime town, Kana also, Nime villages. The government is trying to open up even rural areas in Abia State, and this is a good thing. The rural areas are now feeling, the impact of the developments the government is bringing to the people of Abia State. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. Kindly click the subscribe button. It's free of charge. You just click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. See, because I said I don't know the name of this village, so if you're from this part of Ubakala, you watch this video and you recognize these areas in Ubakala, kindly tell us in the comment section. Thanks.